challenge your students to move beyond surface-level summaries and actually map the hidden tensions between diverse academic sources. Try designing an assignment using NotebookLM that tasks students with transforming their own manual research into an iterative visual inquiry. In your history seminar, ask students to analyze 3 conflicting accounts of the Great Wall's construction in China to pinpoint where official narratives collide with frontier reality. In NotebookLM, have students create a new notebook and then upload their source documents. Next, they should click the pencil icon on the slide deck chip in the Studio panel and enter this prompt. I've identified a tension between the imperial claim of civic duty and the laborer's reality of conscription. Generate a slide outline that visually maps these specific contradictions using evidence from the sources. NotebookLM acts as an architect, generating a visual structure strictly grounded in the provided documents to reflect the student's unique insights. Students can then revise individual slides for layout, download the deck as a PDF, or share the presentation link with their peers. To extend this idea, task students to chat with the notebook to extract the raw data from specific sources to provide evidence for the contradictions they've identified. This process ensures the student leads the critical thinking, using AI to refine and communicate their evidence-based conclusions. Setting this iterative task models how to use AI for rigorous, grounded revision and deep critical thinking. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to notebooklm.google.com to get started.